Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Warcraft Logs. First, you'll need to create a free account on the Warcraft Logs website. It's a quick process, and I highly recommend linking it to your battle. Net account for seamless character and guild integration. Next, download and install the dedicated Warcraft Logs client. Finally, ensure advanced combat logging is enabled in your World of Warcraft game options. These initial steps are crucial for capturing accurate combat data. Once in game, the simplest way to start recording is by typing /combat log into your chat. This command toggles the combat log, writing all events to a text file in your World of Warcraft folder. For convenience, many players use add-ons such as Loggerhead, which can automate this process. Just remember to type /combat log again when you're finished to stop recording and prevent your log file from becoming excessively large. With your combat data recorded, open the Warcraft Logs client and log in. You'll see two primary options: Live Log for real-time uploads during your play session, or Upload a Log if you prefer to upload after your raid or dungeon. Navigate to your World of Warcraft Logs folder, typically found within your game installation directory. Then, specify important details like the log's visibility, whether it's for a guild or personal use, and the correct game version. If you chose to manually upload, select the WoW combat log (TXT) file from your game's logs folder. Double-check all your upload settings, such as associating it with your guild and setting the privacy level, then click the Upload button. Once the upload is complete, you can visit the Warcraft Logs website. There, you'll find your detailed combat reports, ready for in-depth analysis to help you understand and improve your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.